Now another term that you should know is the state diagram. So we have seen the signal flow graphs, right? In that signal flow graphs, we have not considered the initial conditions. In state diagram, we will consider the initial conditions. So if you take the state equation dx1 by dt, if you take as x2. Now if you apply the Laplace transform, then what will you get? S times x1 of s minus the initial value of x1 of t naught. This is going to be equal to x2 of s. So from here you can write x1 of s as x1 of t naught by s plus x2 of s by s. Okay, so if you represent in terms of the signal flow graph, then x1 of s is going to be the sum of two things. First one is x2 of s with a gain 1 by s and x1 of t naught with a gain of 1 by s. This will give you x1 of s. So we are considering the initial condition as well. Another way that you can represent this is, instead of taking x1 of t naught, you are going to write x1 of t naught by s, and then the gain is going to be simply 1. So this is just different ways of expressing. Okay, is equal to x1 of s. So this is called as the state diagram.